Right, here's the barn find, Rapier H120. This was as it was pulled out. Not too bad, but it's going to Australia, so it can't have cobwebs in it. We've got to give it a good clean, so we're just going to wash it off and then get it on the truck and jet wash all the underneath off. Right, obviously we got to get the stuff that's out the boot. This is the cover that was on it. It belonged to some showman or something down Dorchester way. Anyway, we can't have this because the Australian customs won't have this. They'll go, what? Anyway, so this has all got to come out. Right. Yeah, sorry for the disjointed editing, but you can see all this sort of stuff, creepy crawlies from years ago. Dust, cobwebs, it's all got to be hoovered up, cleaned out, and but there we go, proper H120 badge. The dash is actually not bad as they go. It's got the proper oil temperature gauge, only on the early ones. This is actually number 10 off the production line. We want to wash it while it's a nice day because I want to try and scrub it off, jet wash the underneath so it dries pretty much before I put it back in, put it back inside. Anyway, so I'll film I'll get some shots of the engine bay in a bit. Right, soapy water wasn't really cutting it, so we sprayed over with a bit of traffic film remover, which you can see cuts through all this old grease. It's quite strong though, so you know, you kind of think you got to spray it on and rub it off, but you see it is getting through graffiti and stuff, whatever that's been on it over the years. Careful with the badge. Right, get all the spiders out. Anyway, you know what washing a car looks like. Yeah, it's going to have different wheels on it anyway, Chad.
Yeah? I was just about to say,
it's alright, just get whatever you can and we'll put it on the truck. The old ways are the best. Get in there with a scrubbing brush. It's the only way I found when I do the MX-5s for prepping them for undersealing. It looks quite good. A bit greasy. See all the mud coming out the front. Get it back up that way. Lovely. Hoover it all up. back to traffic film remover. It's a bit greasy in here. I think maybe it's grease coming off the hinge, but anyway, this is all like really hard to get off. Elbow grease. Anyway, this is before. Right, now you've got to clean the interior out. Let's just start lifting this up. Should have took these out before, but you don't get many sunny days in England, so you know you've got to do the wet stuff first and the dry stuff after. That's the mats out the boot. I'll speak to the owner, see if he wants them, or maybe we'll bag them up and fumigate them or something. Who knows? But yeah, we just got to get this out, hoover all the cobwebs out and the dust, and away we go. Alright, we're just getting on to hoovering it out. And this is why you got to get everywhere, look, because we got that chair come out, and there's my mate hoovering it. And there's him, long since dead, but looks like he lived in there. We pulled him out. Couple of acorn husks and some other crap. Clint Eastwood left his fag end in there. And what's this? Farmer's Wife Cherry Aid. I mean, this cart was put away, I think, in 1982. I wonder if I might still be able to get 10p back on the bottle. Who knows? Lovely. And I forgot the old Wrigley Spearmint gum wrapper as well. Can't advertise, can we? Yeah, well, keyring. Nice. So I just found this in the back. It's a shame. I thought I was doing the, oh, let go, sit Chad. I thought I was doing the big reveal. This was all screwed up under the seat, and we'd unravel it on video. But I wasn't videoing it because I'm not a professional. Anyway, where do we go? Golden Wonder, what's this? Barbecue beef flavour. I wonder if you can still get them. Still. Oh, there. Please allow 28 days toward delivery. Closing date 27th of November 81. We might have missed that boat.
Liquid on car body right now.
Right, come on there. Right. This is just to get the stuff off. Wash the traffic film remover off. Right. Right, Chad, can you just pour that hot water in there? Bit random. That's it. A bit round there. Let's, might end up looking white one day. Right, here we go. Anyway, again, cobwebs on here. It's a nice day. Soak everything down, and then there's no complaints that it hasn't been thoroughly washed. Because I'll put this up on YouTube later, and then hopefully they can, whoever the customs guys are. G'day, mate, if you're watching this. You can see that it's all been cleaned anyway. Cheers. Yeah, right. Here is the Holbay.